For me, fine dining in Australia has always been about its lodestar, Neil Perry. So when it came to choosing our culinary master for the year and the venue, it really was a no-brainer.
Welcome everyone to Songbird. This restaurant's sort of very similar to Margaret in that it's just incredibly produce driven. It's really the lifeblood is all of the suppliers, and importantly we just lay over this beautiful Chinese seasoning. You know, beautiful environment, fantastic produce, great service, beautiful wine, fantastic cocktails, and just an experience that you can have like you can at any other fine restaurant, but you're eating Chinese food.
I want to thank all the sponsors who have made tonight possible. Thank you guys for coming tonight. I hope you enjoy yourselves. Now let's get to eating.